I just bought the cutest, most adorable, most merch of our queen, Mu Deng. All from independent artists and creators on Etsy. Hello, my little honey flocks. I hope you are having a fantastic day and welcome to Merch Review. Where we review merchandise from all corners of the internet. Today's review, we will be reviewing items from 3 sellers on Etsy, with one thing in common. Of course, it's Mu Deng. Now, if you've never heard of Mu Deng, don't worry, there's still jackets for the cult left for you to join. She's a 3-month-old baby pygmy hippo living in a Thailand zoo. Mu Deng translates to bouncy pork, and we just love how full of life she is. Our favourite pictures of her are her biting her zookeep, screaming, or just being wary of the hose. She is such a little angel. So of course I have to make a little shrine dedicated to her with some banging merch. Sadly, all the official merch you aren't able to get a hold of to be shipped to the Ingerland lands. So, we turn to our artists and creators to satiate my needs of Mu Deng. There were lots of options on Etsy, but also lots of scams. Always be wary of AI or stolen art on Etsy, especially for things like t-shirts. To avoid these, always look for shops in your country that have very clearly handmade pieces in their shops. And we were away. We found 3 stores looking for Mu Deng merch, so let's dig right into them. Welcome! Welcome to our handy dandy hand cam. Ooh! Let's get our first piece of merch out. The Mu Deng mug. You cannot go wrong with a good Mu Deng mug. This piece was Oh My Mo Studio. And yeah, their link will be in the description along with everybody and their shops. To the best of my knowledge, everything here is all either created, kind of handmade, or is the images they've created themselves and then popped it onto merch, which I don't mind. That works out great for us. It came in a mug box, so there was no damage, and yeah, the mug feels very sturdy. I've had tea in it already. I love it so much. I think it's such a cool piece. In their shop, they have cute little icon type pieces, a bit like this. They have them on like mugs, bags, little stickies as well. It was just adorable, and I love this mug. It's such a cool mug. I don't think it's dishwasher safe, but it scrubs up almost as well as the real Mu Deng. So I'll be having lots of tea in this mug. The mug itself is very sturdy, ceramic, and the print is actually really vibrant. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it's super bright and glossy. Beautiful. Love it. Great Mu Deng mug. We love the Mu Deng mug. Our second piece of merch. Now this one came last. This one arrived only a couple of days ago, about 5 days after I placed the order. And I really love the way that this was packaged. Of course, the box is ripped. You'll see this with all of my boxes, unfortunately. I have to take the shipping labels off before we start. So, yes, this is what the box currently looks like. It was a beautiful blue. You can see it on the other side. It was a beautiful blue patent box. But yeah, let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see this? Look at the way that it's all packaged. Oh my goodness. So this one was from Super Cute Awesome Stuff. I also saw that they had a TikTok. Will the camera focus on that? Probably not. They also had a really cute TikTok, which I saw their stuff on after I'd purchased. So I really hope that they're picking up traction on TikTok. I'll just leave that there, so hopefully you guys can see whilst I'm opening these. They had a Deng sticker pack. So these were £5, and on the back you've got all of their details. It feels very professional. I'm gonna open this up. Has got a staple in it, so be a little careful. And we have these little stickers! Look how cute they are! Okay, let's undo its little sticky back. And we just open it up. And there's quite a few stickers in here by the looks of things. I'm very excited to see them all. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put these all over like my laptop and all over like different computer pieces that I have. Oh my gosh, I love this. Feminine rage. Look at little Deng. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. I love her. Alright, let's pop you up there, Deng. We have one of these wary ones. She's screaming. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. What about this one? Oh, the big one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Look at this one. Ah! Look. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my favorite one of the stickers, probably this one. And then probably the female rage one, because that is pretty much what I bought it for. I bought it for this sticker. I really want this. I want this. It's on my laptop. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Awesome, super cute, awesome stuff for that. Now, this one was a little bit special because on their Etsy site, they had little bracelets, and they had the small cabochons of Deng, but they had only the English translation. They had bouncy pork, so I messaged them and asked if it was possible to get the one with Deng written on it, and they obliged. They were so awesome about it. So this is this is the little Deng bracelet. Oh my gosh. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. I love the little tulip looking like flower pieces. It's all pink and purple like Deng, and it has this cute charm. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a cute charm of Deng. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. I love you. Oh, I'm gonna wear this all the time. I'm gonna wear this all the time. Oh my gosh. Shall we put it on? Let's put it on. I love that it's not attached as well, so it doesn't matter what size wrist you have. You can wear one of these. Let's put it on our left wrist. Oh, actually, let's switch it around so you guys can see. Oh, hang on. I can't I can't work this out. Hang on. Like this? That's facing me. How do I get it to face the other way? Like this? Like that. Okay. There we go. There we go. She's on my wrist! Isn't she cool? I love it. I love it. Thank you very much. Super cute, awesome stuff for that. And yeah, I'm so excited to pop these stickies on my items. You ready for this one? I don't think you are ready for this one. I saw these and immediately I was like, you know, the one thing that I need. This one comes from a little shop here in the UK, and they wrote a beautiful message on the back of this. It says, "Thank you so much for adopting this Deng set, and thank you so much for supporting my small business. I hope you enjoy the set. Love, Pooh." So yeah, and they drew little pictures of Deng. Look! Isn't that sweet? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. So in here you can see what we got, which is a little nail set of Deng. You're never gonna see another nail set like this. This is so unique, so beautiful, and honestly, thank you so much. I think this is just such an awesome little piece, and you're never gonna get this like anywhere else, right? You're never gonna get this anywhere else. I do believe the shop is called Press and Paint. But yeah, that's so cool. I just love it. And I love all the packaging. All the packaging was so awesome. So, in the little package that came with it, it had some more stuff in there. So let's have a little look. Let's open up the little package on the side. Okay, so all the things to go with our nail set that we'll need to actually wear the nails. Amazing! Oh my gosh. So we've got some nail glue in there. We've got a couple more stickers. I should add those to my Deng set. We've got a girl power one and some flowers, some pink and blue flowers. How cute's that? And then we've got some nail prep, some sticky glue dots for the nails, a how-to, and then a cute, oh my gosh! Oh, look! Isn't that sweet? And it says thank you so much on it. And it has a little picture of the person that created these. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And then we also have a little nail file and a cuticle pusher as well. That's going to be so helpful in prepping our nails to go on. I don't know if I'll put these on. I'm scared to wear them because I don't want to like wear them and not have the opportunity to wear them again. But what we're going to do is we're going to open them up so we can see properly. You can see at the bottom here we have Deng herself. Ooh, Deng herself. We also have a little vine. These really pretty blue ones. Another little Deng. A heart. And then a pink and blue star. Now these were also custom made to the size of my fingernails. I have quite small fingernails. We figured out as I was making them, as I was measuring them, so we ended up ordering an extra small, but they go all the way up to, I think it was extra large, and then they also have custom. You can get them custom as well, which is such a good idea. I love that. So yeah, let's peel these off. And do they have any sticky inside? No. Okay. But yeah, that's the first one. Shall we put them on? Should we put them on? Should we do a funky little transition? So yeah, this is what the Deng nails look like on. I haven't put the rest of them on because I was like, I only want to do one hand because I only want to like have these on for a little while, and I want to save them. I want to save them for something really special. So yeah, I'm very excited. You can see some of the b-roll there of me like showing them off a bit. But yeah, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, we should put the bracelet on the same hand. There we go. Look at that. Ooh. Us with our Deng nails and our Deng bracelet. and our Moodang mug. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh. The Moodang mug and the bracelet. Can we get the whole thing in one shot? Can we do that? Is that possible? They said it wasn't possible. They were right. It's difficult. Ah! Okay, wait. We can't see the Moodang. Right, hang on. There we go. And then we need to bring these nails up. There we go. Look at that. Whee! Beautiful Moodang nails with a Moodang bracelet and a Moodang mug. We should also get the stickers involved, but I don't think I have enough hands. And with the Moodang stickers in the back. Oh my goodness. Oh. Genuinely though, this has been awesome. All of our Moodang pieces all together, they look so cool. I'm so happy with all of them. They are just so awesome. Yeah, this has been really awesome. I've just really enjoyed all of the Moodang merch. We had such an awesome time unboxing all of this. And of course, if you are a big fan of our girl Moodang, sound off below. Tell us how much you love Moodang. Would you buy any of these merch pieces? That's the real question. And if you have spotted any other merch for any other cute animals or cute things, pink things. I mean, I'm wanting to do merch for lots of different stuff. The next one we're going to be doing is VTuber merch. So people that are virtual tubers like me, we're going to be collecting some of their rare merch. And I hope to do a couple of doll unboxings. And of course, more Moodang. If we can get a hold of more Moodang, we will get more Moodang. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. And welcome so much to the Honey Block family. We will see you guys in the next one. I hope you're having a great day. Bye bye. Oh, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.